Hello and welcome to Artak's food channel. Today we have a strategy how to grill and then smoke these Wagyu beef ribs by delving in culinary predilections. Enjoy my channel by subscribing now and watch this. One of many videos are coming. So the marinated spices are just simple Texas style. It's a kosher salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and dry garlic. And on top of it, I added a little bit spice chili. I like spicy. If you don't like it, you don't have to. But different is, before we marinated, we added this kiwi, 5 pieces. They said it's tenderizing meat, very good. We're gonna all see. I never did this before, so we're gonna all be witness. They will be tenderized it or not. So, and then that the grill is almost ready, so we're gonna start grilling now. We're starting grilling the bone side down. This is hot side and this is cold side. Bone side down. What can I say, happy people? It smells ridiculously good already. I mean, this is deadly. It's so good, so good. Wow. From this point, happy people, so we're taking the meat and just going back to the smoker area. For the side dish, we're gonna have potato. I wash it very aggressively, but I like to keep the skin in. You just take out these ends and then make it like a split it in half. Right here, check the potato, it's good. Maybe a little bit here, a little bit there. It's good. And then that marinade will be in same ingredients that we marinate the meat. It's gonna be garlic, black pepper, and red pepper. And then if you want, you can add a little bit this chili pepper. I like it spicy. If you don't like it, you don't have to. And then this is how it's gonna look like. And we're gonna use that Wagyu beef melted fat to grill this potatoes, and it's coming right now. If you follow up with my videos, that you can see that we marinate this at home, and then we show how to do this. So we have here tomatoes, carrots, jalapeno, cabbage, and then the way to do it, you just take this pickled veggies, just roughly cut it like this. Let's back here. Julienne the carrot. Ready, salad. Okay, happy people, it's ready. So trying time here. As you remember, or if you watch our videos, this is like called soren. We make this as a soup, but as you see, this is also can work like a garnier. And here it's onion and then some chopped greens, herbs. So you just mix at each other like this. It becomes like that. And then here it goes right here. One potato. If you don't like these charcoaly potatoes, then you can make mashed potatoes. And then also this pickled veggies, we have also a video for it. You should watch it. It's very nice combination here. And then lime goes right here a little bit. Like this. Smells like a heaven. So here we have some olive oil and then chopped marinated veggies and red onion. It goes right here. And jalapeno also goes right here. And some carrots. And then I will take, what do you think, happy people? Let's take this piece. Try. I have to smell this, guys. It's so good. Unbelievable. So let me put this one here so you can see my plate. I can see it's already so juicy. Texas style plus kiwi. Guys, cheers. It's so good, guys. So good. You can. It's so good, guys. I don't know what to say. You can feel the garlic, black pepper, all ingredients marinated. It's so good. This is, we call sorrel soup, but as you see, it's not soup. It's like right now it's a side dish. We should try this one too. It's so truffly. Let me try a little bit potato. Yeah, it's chocolatey. Then you can chase with these pickled veggies. It's not too salty. Oh my God. Oh my God. What can I say? It's just one of the kind dish here with the jalapeno, the onions. Guys, if you like my video, subscribe, show me your thumbs up, and click that belly button so next video will be notified. And I love you all. Everything will be okay in our lives, I'm sure. Have a good night. Here in Los Angeles, almost 5 o'clock. Bye. Masha here. She's gonna pick up the bread right off of my head. Watch this.